How to install EasyPark app, parking made easy. So you can pay for your parking by phone. It's very popular app in some countries, especially in Europe. It's available in over 2,200 cities across Europe. Now we cover more countries than any other parking app in Europe, making us the region's #1 parking app. We're changing the way people park for the better. So yeah, it just saves millions of drivers by saving both time and money. So for the value we deliver, EasyPark charges a fee on top of the parking cost. Please find more info on the pricing page. Uh, note that this app cannot be used in UK. In UK, they operate under Ringo brand, and the Ringo app can be downloaded on a separate website. In most European countries, you can use EasyPark though. And then yeah, you can just get started here with creating your account. So you just enter your phone number. It accepts a lot of different phone numbers, and then yeah, you can just proceed from there. So try it out.